Hello kids, welcome to math class. Today the topic of our learning is story problems on subtraction. And the objective of our today's learning is to understand the given information and what to find out. Now, Rosie gave 7 chilies to the parrot. You can count. And the parrot ate 1 chili out of those 7 chilies. Now, this was the information. We have to find out how many chilies are left with the parrot right now. Now, read the statement. Rosie gave 7 chilies to her parrot. Parrot ate 1 chili. How many chilies are left with the parrot? Now, children, information is Rosie gave 7 chilies and the parrot ate 1 chili. Now, what we have to find out? That how many chilies are left with the parrot. How many chilies are left? Now, you can see that first 2 lines were the information given to us, and last line means that what we have to find from this story problem. Now, children, you have to remember that how many are left and how many remain. Wherever these 2 words or these 2 lines will come, you will simply come to know that this is the sum of subtraction. That means we have to subtract. Now, let us do the sum. First of all, there were 7 chilies. And how many chilies did the parrot eat? 1. So, what will we subtract? We will subtract 1. So, 7 minus 1 is quick subtraction. And 7 minus 1 is 6. You all know that. You can also count after 1 till 7. You will get the answer 6. So, how many chilies are left with the parrot? There are 6 chilies left with the parrot. Very good. Now, we will understand one more example. See, there are 25 snails in a garden. How many snails are there in the garden? 25 snails. Out of which 16 snails hid themselves into their shells. Out of 25, how many snails hid themselves? 16. And now the information apart, what we have to find, that how many snails are still out of their shells. Read the statement now. There are 25 snails on the ground. 16 of them hid themselves in their shell. How many snails are still out of their shell? Now, I have highlighted the line. How many snails are still out of their shell? That means we have to find the remaining one. So, first of all, 25. The total number of snails were 25. So, we will write 25 first. Then, how many hid themselves? 16. That means we have to subtract 16. Now, we can see that 5 is lesser than 6. So, we will take borrow from 2. Now, 2 tens will give 1 tens to 5. And that will become 15. 1 tens and 5 ones will become 15. Now, what next? Now, we have to subtract 6 from 15. You can also do it on fingers. 15 minus 6 will become 9. You can say that after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this is 9. Now, 1 minus 1 is 0 because you can do it on fingers. 1 minus 1, 0. This is quick subtraction. So, the answer will be 9. Let us read. There are 9 snails out of their shells. So, the answer is 9. Now, let us understand with the examples. First of all, we will read the statement. Meena has 486 sweets. She distributed 234 sweets among children. How many sweets are left with Meena? Now children, according to this statement, we will understand how to make the statement and how we will solve this story problem on subtraction. Now children, what is our first information? That total sweets, and how many are they? 486 sweets. Now we will see that what is the second information, that Meena distributed sweets among friends. How many sweets are distributed? We will write sweets distributed is equal to 234. And we know that we are going to solve the sum in which the last information is how many sweets are left with Meena. Now left means minus, and we will do subtraction. Now 486 minus 234. Let us subtract. 6 minus 4. We can do it easily. We will start after 4 and stop at 6. After 4, 5, 6. 2 fingers, we will write 2. Then 8 minus 3. Now you have to start after 3 and stop at 8. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 fingers open, so we will write 5. Now next is 4 minus 2. This is quick subtraction. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 252. Children, now let us understand the school copy approach.
Now children, we will see the copy approach. Now what you have to do, you have to take a new page in your school copy, draw margins, leave one line from left hand side and one line from upper side. Write down date, like suppose it is 6 June. You will write 6.6.2020 and on right side you will write h.w. Now what we are going to start? We are going to start story sums. Now you will write the statement like this, and what is the statement? Let us read. Sonu bought 350 oranges. He sold 173 oranges in one day. How many oranges are left with him? Now children, I will tell you how you will do the sum on school copy. First of all, leave a line and we will read the statement. First information. Sonu bought 350 oranges. So how many oranges are there? 350. First of all, you will write number 1 and write Sonu bought oranges, or you can also write total oranges. So first of all, we will write Sonu bought, spell bought, B-O-U-G-H-T. Children, you have to touch up, touch down. Sonu bought oranges. Put is equal to how many? 350. First of all, we will write place value table. Ones, tens, hundreds. Put is equal to and write down 350. Now, next statement is he sold 173 oranges in one day. What did he do? Sold 173 oranges. Now children, what we have to do? We will write 173. And now you will see your is equal to sign. Is equal to sign should come under is equal to. And second statement we will write Sonu sold oranges. S-O-L-D sold oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E-S. How many? 173. How many oranges are left with him? Now children, left means this is the sum of minus. So our third statement will be left minus.
Now as we know that 0 is smaller than 10, we cannot subtract 3. Now what we will do? We will take borrow from tens place. And what we have on tens place? 5. Now cutting 5 will make 4 and 0 will become 10. And after making 0 as 10, we will subtract 3.
Now start counting after 3 till 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 7 fingers. Now Can you subtract 7 from 4? No. Now we will cut 3, make it 2 and 4 will become 14. Now again, start after 7, stop at 14. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? Again 7 fingers. Now, can you subtract 1 from 2? Yes, we can because the upper digit is the bigger digit. Now start after 1 and stop at 2. After 1, 2. Only one finger. So answer will be 177. Now again leave one line. Write down answer. Answer is equal to 177 oranges. How many oranges are left with Sonu? 177 oranges. I hope you are clear with the copy approach.
Now children, I want you to practice the sums given in your SNAP homework. Thank you class. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye-bye.